Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair and a 2013 Honda Accord 3.5 doing an alternator. So this one's a little different than the previous ones. Fan assembly comes out in order to gain some access. How I did that, this little brace right here I do not believe comes off. I believe it's yet TIG welded to the other part of the frame. So you have a brace here, this one here, and then one more right here. I've got this one right here. So I was able to loosen those up, pull the radiator forward, take out these 210s, and pull the fan up in between the brace and the radiator. Then it gives you all the room that you need to get to the alternator connectors and being able to lift up from the bottom, because this alternator comes out right through here. Really dumb design. Little or no room over here. A whole bunch of finagling, a whole bunch of bitching, a whole bunch of trying to figure out what to take off in order to get it out of the way. Per the service manual, they want you to remove the power steering reservoir, get it out of the way. They want you to disconnect the AC line but not drain the Freon. So they want you to disconnect the AC compressor down there and move it out of the way enough for this to get out of the way for some reason, but there's still not enough room. I didn't do so because I didn't see the point in doing that. But your biggest fight is definitely this AC line, pulling this alternator in between the main engine compartment and everything over here. That's the fun part. So what I did is, there's a bracket that holds the what is this coolant reservoir. I pulled that up out of the way so I could get it so that I'd be able to rotate the alternator in a position to where I wanted to come out. The way I had it come out was straight up and down. That's the thinnest point for coming up through this area here. Also had a problem with this dumb bracket because it is not a 12, it is a 5.5 Allen head. So if you don't have one of those, you're not gonna be able to get that bracket out. I didn't have too much of a problem with it, but I wasn't able to get any kind of leverage on there in this small space. So I had to take it out with it. But anyways, take out your 10 here. This will loosen up this bracket for this AC line. I was able to push it down and out of the way. I took off the bracket that holds the power steering reservoir to give me more room, like move this over out of the way. And basically you're just going to get the alternator itself past this hose. Once you get it past the hose, then the rest of it is just relatively easy finagling it up and out of the way. Also moved the belt tensioner back to give me a little bit more room right there. I've got the tool, and then I've got a pry bar, hold it in there so that way it holds it in a partially retracted position so I can get more space in this vicinity. But that's your biggest problem with this, is just space. So you need to take some time, loosen up what you can in order to get it out of the way. You can take off this reservoir. I did not. I didn't have any more power steering fluid, and I didn't want to make a mess. But that's the stuff that I moved out of the way in order to get this thing out. There's the old one. There's the new one. Any other kind of tricks? Not a whole lot. Like I said, I just basically went through here up to my arm and lifted up, moved hoses out of the way to get past metal brackets, and then up and out this direction. But oh, also did take the latch off in order to give this enough pull so that I could get this fan assembly up and out of the way. Fan assembly is easy compared to the alternator. I don't know why they did it this way, but hey, whatever, right? All right, any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.